Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It's time for day number 17 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. The girls are definitely getting a little bit wacko in here. We're all getting a bit Christmas crazy. Let's open up door number 17. Oh, Emma's down here. Climb back up again. I think it's Emma's turn. Oh, I ripped this one. I'm making a terrible hash of this. It was absolutely destroyed. Oh my goodness. Look, it's in Emma's colours. No, it's in Mia's colours. It's a roller skate. So Mia is coming in and Emma misses out, unfortunately, because this one's definitely a Mia type build. So Mia gets to hang this one up onto the Christmas tree. It's so cute. It's like it's going to be a giant roller skate. So let me see. How do we put this together? So the wheels are going to go in the little holes there. So we need 2 holes on each side. So we have 2 wheels on each side, 4 wheels all together. And we put our little plugs in here. And then we smooth it over the front to make the front of the boot of the roller skate. And it's looking really good. This is such a little retro coloured roller skate. And this is the part we're going to hang it from. And then we just need little smooth pieces on the top. And it's ready to rock and roll! Do you see what I did there? Oh. And the wheels are on now. It's ready to rock and roll. Definitely ready to roll. And no, come on. This is not going to end well. You know it always goes badly when you start playing on the thing. See? Emma fell off. Go carefully. Go gently. All right, that's nice. All right, let's hang this up. Looks like Mia has dropped Emma off somewhere along the way. And come on, hang straight. Let's get this on the tree straight. There we go. That's lovely. Oh my goodness me, I can't wait to see the tree at the end when it is all finished up. All right, that's it for day 17, guys. I will see you tomorrow for day 18. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.